Hi, today I'm with me iPad 10th generation and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to create the new folder on our home screen, we should hold the application and then just drag this up to just this another app, and by this way we'll just create a new home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, you can make it by the same way. Just hold the application and drag it to your folder. Just to rename the folder here, for example, you should click on the name, click to the 6 icon if you want to remove the name in one click, and now just let's enter, for example, the apps. Click here to done, and once again to done, and we can see that we just successfully renamed it. We can just move folder here on the screen between the screens. Just to move it, we should hold and then drag the folder. We can also create the new screens with a folder. That's also not a problem. Just hold and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to remove the application from the folder, you should click here to this minus icon and click here to remove from home screen, or just if you wanna stay with this application on the home screen, you should hold it and then just drag it here to the home screen. So as you can see, that's so simple. And if you wanna also rename this folder, you should just hold it and click here to rename, or just to remove all of the applications in one click. Just to remove the folder, you should just by the same way hold and drag it here to remove and confirm your action. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.